Shit on my shank, motherfucker.
And I'm killing everyone till there's no one left. This is just a test, but I had to show y'all who really was the best. Fear? Ain't no fear in here. I just came here to win, don't care if you cheer. Got my life on the line, if you want it, I'm here. I came here to fight, I smell blood in the air. Now boom, got started, now it's blood everywhere. In the street, dirty money, don't nobody care. And revenge is sweet like an apple or pear. Y'all could've had everything, but now boom, here I'm in the belly of the beast. Fighting in the street, only the strong survive. So ain't nothing weak like Kimbo Slice. I'm a lion in the beast, and I feast on anyone when I wanna feast. And I feast on the strong, feast on the weak. Have a big appetite, wanna eat, wanna eat. I'm the king in the jungle, I like blood on my teeth. I'm unstoppable, they let me out of the cage. They can't stop my rage, we ain't on the same page. On the same board, on the same stage. I have passion when I'm kicking your ass. And like a car when it's crashing. Seatbelts unfastened, it's boom. No amount of money can make him fight it. The devil try to do it and I set him right. Come on. No amount of money can make him fight it. The devil try to do it and I set him right. Come on, come on. I am the punishment of God, and I came to set you free. Come on. Fear. Ain't no man here. You might have to kill a stranger or have to kill a friend sometime. I don't know where it begin to end. If your friend is your enemy, then who is your friend? What they say, your best friend come from